Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply Apple layout on this Android. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher 16. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now, in order to continue, select Allow and Allow while using in the pop-ups and swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Then choose Home button. Now you can access devices settings and scroll down. After that, choose App Management, click on Default Apps, and access Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, click on it and choose Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my INFINIX smartphone. But if you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by accessing the same settings and tapping on Default Launcher or Apple One. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!